Hello, welcome to the Experimenting with Science channel. Today, we are here with the sun oven experiment. The materials needed for this experiment are a box, aluminum foil, black construction paper, chocolate, tape, and scissors. First, we open our box and place the black construction paper on the inner surface. Then we cut a piece of aluminum foil and tape it to the inner surface. It needs to be secured this way. After securing it, we place the chocolate in the area you see. The reflection of the sunlight on the paper will melt the chocolate, and we will observe this melting. Enjoy watching. Goodbye.